Want that radiant, natural glow without spending tons on skincare? Let me show you 7 easy ways to make your skin glow naturally. Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into simple, natural tips that will help you achieve glowing skin right from home. No fancy product, no filters, just real glowing result. Number 1. Hydration. First up, hydrate. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin moisturized from the inside out. Aim for 8 glasses a day and trust me, your skin will thank you. Number 2. Skin friendly food. Glow start in the kitchen. Add berries, spinach, and healthy fats like avocado or black seed to your meals. These superfoods are packed with nutrients your skin loves. Number 3. Natural marks. Need a quick glow boost? Try a do-it-yourself marks. Mix turmeric, honey, and yogurt. It is anti-inflammatory and brightening. Use it once or twice a week for best result. Number 4. Sleep. Next, get that beauty sleep. Your skin repairs and regenerates at night, so aim for 7 to 9 hours. And hey, a silk blockage can help reduce irritation too. Number 5. Exfoliate. Exfoliation is key. Use a gentle natural scrub like sugar and olive oil once or twice a week. It removes dull skin and lets your natural glow shine through. Number 6. Move your body. Don't forget to move. Exercise boosts blood flow, delivering nutrients to your skin. Even a 20-minute walk can help you glow. Number 7. Consistent routine. Finally, stick to a simple routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin with SPF every day. Consistency is where the magic happens. And that is it. 7 natural tips for glowing skin. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe and share with our friends. Thanks for watching and stay glowing.